Hello, welcome and thank you for joining me. Like I promised in my last natural eyebrow tutorial, I said I was going to show you how to do your brows using an eyebrow pencil. So today I'm going to be using a setting powder. Feel free to use any setting powder of your choice. I'm going to be using a dark brown eye pencil. And then I'll be using a brush because I'm going to be cleaning my brow area with Eyebrow Gel Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. And then I'm going to finish off with an eyebrow gel. This is the mini Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel. And I also have a spoolie to brush my brow. So we are going to start by brushing the brow. And just go with whatever shape you want and go with the shape of your natural brow. That way you are not finding it difficult to draw on a new one. So I'm just going to put my powder a little bit there. This will help dry any oil or moisture. So you can use your hand or you can use a brush, whichever one you prefer. I already have some makeup on my face, but usually I'll do my brow before I do my other makeup. So now that that is done, we'll go ahead and brush again just to give us a good outline. And as you can see, I have some sparse area there. Okay, so I'm just going to start using a dark brown eye pencil, and make sure your pencil is sharpened. And I'll just go with my natural hairline there. And because we're going to be cleaning with a concealer, usually you don't have to worry about straight lines. And if you don't like cleaning with a concealer, you can also leave it like that. So just go down. And then the rule of thumb is to measure here to see if you're going too long. Okay, then you go to the top one here. So you see this one I'm starting a little bit short compared to the bottom. That way it gives you a more natural look. So I'm just going to go with the natural shape of my brows. And then just finish that by joining it to this tail here. Okay, and I'll go ahead and fill. So go as dark as you want. Okay, so like that, it's so easy. All right, then I'll just bring this out a little bit. All right. And then what I usually like to do is go in again and just brush again and see if you like the feeling or if you want to get a little bit more intense in any area. And then the beginning here, you want to just use your brush to fade it out a little bit. Until you have no harsh lines. So just blend that in. And that side is done. So next I'm going to use my Eyebrow Gel Pro Concealer. And for me, I don't like a lot of concealer. So this one comes with a brush on top. So I just dispense a little bit and go below the line first. So I bring that down to prep for eyeshadow for later. So I'm just going to use a brush. Any brush will do. I got some from Amazon, and I'll leave a link in my description box. You can try them out. So the goal here is to clean and give it a straight line. So now you want to make sure your hand is steady a little bit. And keep pushing it up all the way till you get to where the brows are. So you don't want to leave any spots. So make sure this goes all the way in there. And because I don't have a lot, it doesn't take time to blend at all. If you use too much product, then you're going to spend time to blend. So I just want it looking natural. Okay, so you can see that cleans it up right there. And I'm also going to clean up the top. So when you're cleaning up the top, make sure you fan it out. So fan it out so that you don't have any harsh lines. See what I'm doing? So you just come as close as you can to the brow area and keep going and end in a straight line, and then just fan it out with your brush. That way you don't have any harsh lines showing. And just like that, the eyebrow is done. So with that same brush, you can come to the beginning here and just go in a little bit just to clean it up and give you a more finished look. Awesome. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and we are done. So if you use little products, you don't spend much time. In the past, I used to use a lot of products, and then you spend 20 minutes just trying to do just your brows. But by using a little bit, it goes a long way. Like right now, and I'm going to finish this off with an eyebrow gel. The eyebrow gel basically just keeps your eyebrow put all day. Okay, so and the mini one lasts a long time. I've had this one for a few months now. So you just go there like so. This one is clear. There are some that are tinted, so you can get the exact shade of your pomade or your pencil. Yeah, and this will just keep your eyebrow all day. This is my final look for this eyebrow tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it today. Remember, do not use too much product. Be very light-handed. Let me know what you think, and until next time when I bring you another exciting video and tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you.